Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 6th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the Kiwi dollar, I mean, we have to keep in mind that all the higher time frames are in an uptrend. And because all the higher time frames are in an uptrend, there's definitely a chance that this just keeps on going up. So, that definitely needs to be your main concern. Now, we definitely did get a pretty impulsive move down, a pretty nice break of structure. So, hopefully, what happens is it does continue down a little bit. If we go up to a little bit of a higher time frame, like the 4 hour to daily, I was kind of hoping that it would go down a little bit more. And that way we could have this be like a wave A, this be like a wave B, down for a wave C, and then potentially continue the uptrend, making this like a wave one, this a wave two, and then up for a wave three. That's kind of what I hope sets it up. That's how I hope it sets up because that would make for a really good opportunity to go long if that is the case for a big, big, strong wave three. Now, just because that's how we hope it sets up doesn't mean that's what's going to happen. The trend is definitely up on the higher time frames, and it could easily just keep on going up. So definitely be aware of that. I think that if I was trading these very short time frames, I would probably be recommending shorts, hoping that it makes lower lows, lower highs for that wave C, potentially setting ourselves up for a wave three later on in the week. Like I said, hopefully this will be the end of a wave two. This will be a wave one, and then later on this week we'll get the start of a wave three. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.